Welcome to A Piece of CX. This week we're taking a look at Zoom and the Claude connector that was made available just over a week ago. So you might have seen some fanfare about this, and it is pretty exciting. If you are a Claude user, you now have a Zoom connector. So there are some notes in Zoom developers all about this and what you can do. And then you can go into Claude and add your connector and tell it what you want it to be able to do as well. Now, that means we can go into Claude and start doing things. Now, when I first played with this, I just asked it to summarize some of my weekly meetings, and we'll have a look at that in a moment. In fact, what we'll do is we'll get that to run, although typically I've just done a load of things in it that have put me over my usage limit. But we asked Claude, what can you actually do? So we can be looking at recordings, looking at transcripts, looking at whiteboards, at chats, all kinds of things, and practically going into things as well. Now, there's a lot that you can already do with Zoom's AI connector on platform within Zoom, but this is interesting in that we can take that data to another level with what we're doing. So what I did was give it some tasks. So I asked it to review a load of meetings that I've been in recently with what I say and are there things I could improve, and give me some coaching. I know I say so quite a lot. I didn't realize that in just 3 recording meetings, I said it nearly 300 times. But it is one of those verbal crutches that I use. So, said it there. Here is my top word charts once we took all of those filler words out. And I was running some Zoom virtual agent workshops, so it is no surprise that is the data that it is giving me. Then I was like, give me some common phrases. What do I say on top of that? And we start to get as well and all that kind of stuff. And actually we can go out to 5. I say kind of stuff, don't I? Quite a lot. Good stuff, kind of stuff, scroll down for me, all that kind of stuff. I cannot help myself. I feel really bad as well. If anyone knows Mr. Pritchard from Tabor High School in Braintree in the 90s, he was our favorite teacher until we pissed him off, because we realized, in fact, we didn't piss him off, we broke his heart because he was doing a great job. We realized he had a slight verbal tick where he said, all right, in a lovely Welsh accent. And one day we started tally charting that. And he spotted us. And when we confessed what we were doing, he just looked so crestfallen. Well, Claude is doing that to me today. So I say as well 91 times across meetings. I think, okay, have a look at this, have a look, scroll down, etc. So he says it again. I then said, do I dominate conversations? Do I talk too much? Is my cadence too much? And it gave me some examples of longest monologues, hedges, so kind of again, and other things to look at. It's also taking my voice memos where I was dictating, so I was a little bit slower. And here it's even saying, this is where you want to be. So just look at that as well. Now, interestingly, when I started to play around this a bit more, I could also tell it to anonymize things, which I think is very useful, because as you've probably seen in the last couple of minutes, I've had to blank a few things out on my desktop. So we ran some Zoom virtual agent workshops recently, and we're like, what could we do better? And, this is how I think we should be using these kind of tools. How do we sharpen up what we're doing? This gave us a analysis of how things went, what we could do better, what went well, and was actually just really interesting from that perspective. And typically it's taken a moment to load, so let me grab it from over here, and it gave me moments to improve. So, don't say we haven't made much progress, say, oh, we had a snag, but don't worry, we're on track. All kinds of things to look at there, and just being stronger on the start of calls and that kind of thing. So that was interesting. Then I kind of looked and went, well, what could we do in that workshop better as well? So then asked it a slightly different one, created a different project and went, analyze these workshops, provide me the task list, the running order, what we should have done. We can see it found certain bugs and all kinds of things. And then it gave us an idea of how we could do that better as well. So the future is here in Claude with Zoom, and you can bring various different artifacts from Zoom into Claude to analyze them further and use them to create skills, create processes, create projects, all kinds of things. Thank you very much for watching A Piece of CX.